Today, we are bringing you an amazing recipe for egg fried rice that is both simple and delicious. This recipe is not only packed with flavor but is also highly nutritious, providing you with a total of 394 calories, 30 grams of protein, 42 grams of carbohydrates, and 13 grams of fats. In just a few simple steps, you will be able to make a delicious meal to impress your friends and family. Let's get started. We are going to begin by preparing our ingredients. To do that, we will start by chopping some veggies. Take half an onion and cut it into 4 large pieces and separate the layers. Now I am using half red and half yellow bell pepper and removing the seeds. Slice them into smaller pieces like shown in the video. You can use any color of bell pepper that is available in your local market, such as red, green, or yellow. This will add a pop of color and a variety of flavors to the dish. Next, we need a bunch of spring onions. Cut them while separating the green and white parts. The white part of the spring onion takes a bit longer to cook, so we will use it earlier in the cooking process. Then, cut the carrot into pieces that are roughly the same size, so they cook evenly. To do this, hold the carrot firmly with one hand and use the other hand to chop it into smaller pieces. Finally, chop 1 clove of garlic and 1 inch of ginger. Now, it is time to whisk up some eggs. I am using 2 whole eggs and 2 egg whites for added protein. You can use egg shells to separate out the yolks from the egg whites by flipping the yolk with the shells and letting the white part into the bowl. To add some extra flavor, I am also adding half teaspoon of salt here. You can use it according to your taste. And then I am gonna add half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk everything together until the ingredients are well mixed and the eggs are smooth. To cook the rice, bring some salted water in a pot to boil and add the rice. Let the water come to boil again and then reduce the heat to medium and let the rice cook for about 15 minutes. Check the rice to make sure it is fully cooked but not overcooked, as overcooked rice can become mushy and difficult to mix with the other ingredients. If you have leftover rice from the previous day, that works great for this dish. Now, it is time to bring everything together. Use 5 sprays of oil. I am using spray oil here which has only 1 calorie per spray. Add the chopped ginger and garlic to the pan and cook it for 2 minutes on medium heat while stirring occasionally to make sure the ginger and garlic doesn't get burnt. Next, add the onion and the white part of spring onion to the pan along with some salt. Salt will make sure the onion releases its water and the onion will get cooked in its own water. This is important since we are using only a few sprays of oil for cooking. Stir everything together and cover the pan. Cook for 3 minutes on medium heat to allow the onion to soften and release its natural sweetness. After 3 minutes, remove the lid and then add the bell pepper slices which we sliced earlier and the carrots to the pan. Stir everything together and cover the pan again. Cook for 5 minutes on medium heat until the veggies are soft and tender. Now, let's add the eggs to the pan. Pour the eggs into the pan and stir until they are fully cooked. You can add the eggs to one side of the pan to get big chunky pieces of eggs or mix them directly into the veggies for smaller pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and some red hot tabasco sauce to the veggies for some extra flavor. Season it with black pepper and salt according to taste. Finally, we will add the cooked rice to the pan and gently stir everything together, being careful not to break the rice while mixing. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious egg fried rice in just a few minutes. It's a perfect dish for any meal of the day, whether you are looking for quick lunch or dinner. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and learned something new today. Don't be afraid to add your own twist and make it your own. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and share it with your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more yummy and healthy recipes, just like this one. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.